Is your fleet keeping vehicles longer these days? If yes, it's time to check your preventive maintenance schedule to make sure it's aligned with OEM guidelines.
Now is absolutely the time to check your PM schedules and intervals to ensure that they are aligned with OEM guidelines. Keeping in mind how the vehicle is utilized, as some manufacturers may classify fleet utilization as heavy duty, or depending on how the vehicle is being operated, can put it into that severe duty or heavy duty maintenance schedule. Also, now is the time to check your fleet compliance to that PM schedule interval. We often see drivers continually getting services performed late, which can lead to higher repair costs as the vehicles age. For fleets that typically cycle their assets every few years, it's also a good idea to evaluate how long you truly expect to keep the vehicle in service. If you will be keeping it past 100,000 miles, it's a great idea to ensure you have key services like a transmission flush or coolant flush added or again reevaluated based on OEM recommendations to your PM schedule.